Hello everyone, welcome to day one for Python basics. Today we'll start from scratch and today we'll start from scratch and learn the most important concepts, variables, data types, um, if else loops, functions. I'll show definitions, code, output, and explanation everything clearly. Uh, Now we will get into the variable. A variable is a name used to store a value in memory. It works like a container that holds data. Let me show you an example. Name is equal to the age is equal to 20, price is equal to 69.77. Now I'm printing print name print age print price. See, here Dev is a stored in variable name and 20 is a stored in age and 69.77 stored in price. Use variables to store and reuse the information in a program. And now I'll say about the data types definition. A data type defines the kind of value stored in a variable. Python automatically decides the type. I'll show you with an example. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 5.6, name is equal to dev, is student, true. Now I'm printing the data. Here 10 is an int, 5.6 is an float, and dev is an string. And true is an boolean, which is equal to. And it is this is an a list. Now I am writing the tuple. Colors is equal to red, blue. Now I am writing this name. Chicka, 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 chicka. Name No. Age 20. This is an double. Now I'm printing a print X. Print Y. See. Here, unit is an whole number. Float 5.6 is a float, and it is a decimal number. Dev is an string, and it's a text. True is an boolean. Here, mango, apples are the list change, and it's a changeable collection. And here, red and blue are the tuples, unchangeable collections. And here's the name Dev, age 20 are the district key value pairs. These are the data types helps the Python understand how to use and treat your data. Now we'll discuss about if else decision making. If else is used to make decisions in a program based on conditions. Okay. Now explain with code. Age is equal to 27. If age is not equal to 27, print an adult. No, else. Print you are not a minor. See. You are an adult. Here I am giving 15,000. Python checks the code if age less than or equal to 18 is a true print adult, else print minor. Like this only, we will check another example by using the if elif else statement. Marks is equal to 80 if marks is than or equal to 100, print build a elif marks less than or equal to 65, print grade C. Here it will print grade B. Okay. Python checks each condition one by one until one matches. Okay. Now we'll go for loops. A for loop repeats the code a fixed number of times or iterates throughout the items. Let me show you an example. For I in range 1 comma 8, print I. See here. From range 1 to 8, generate the numbers from 1 to 7. And this is an range loop. Now loop throughout the list. I will show you an example. Loop throughout the list, which is equal to for I in fruit print F. Sorry. Here see printing banana and apple. Now like this only while loop. I will explain on a while loop. While loop repeats as long as the condition is true. Once the condition has been true, it will show the while complete running the loop. Example, count is equal to 1 while count less than or equal to 5, point count plus is equal to 1. You can see here loop starts at 1 and ends when the count becomes 6. Now functions. A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Here is the example of the function diff great print dev print hello dev. Def great defines the function. Def great defines the function. Great calls and runs it. Or a function with or another. I will explain you another example with the functions with parameters. Def add a comma b return a plus b result is equal to add 5 comma 15 print result. See here, A and B are the receivable values, and return gives back the result. And today we covered the foundation of foundation of Python. Here you can see variable, the data types, if else, loops, if else, if else, loops and function. These five topics are used in the almost every Python program. Um, in Python program. In tomorrow section, we'll go deeper into the strings, operators, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. And this is the today's section. In this, chal, chal.